London Herren. Wie geht's? Geht's gut? Ja. Here's it, Slapshot. This is like, I think, our 4th time here in Cafe Central. Over the years, we played here many times. The terrific promoter, same guy as always. You should feel very lucky to have such a great place that's consistent, has a great stage, great sound, and everybody wants to play it. And a lovely town, too. I always take a walk downtown to the Muller and look around, buy some toys for my kid. Yeah. But they're a little too old for Kinderüberraschung now. They're a little old. Yeah, let's go.